you see, Pranesh, these people are desperate. They are so desperate that they will call into question everything. Tomorrow they will even call into question the fact that it is a granite statue. Then you will hear questions. This is, after all, these people come from parties that even question the existence of Ram Lalla in Supreme Court. Right? So leave it to them. I take it as, furious impotence. The more impotent they get, what really scares them now is the tomfoolery called some BJN Yatra or something that is happening, that has turned into a complete fiasco, God knows where. They're all scared about it. You see, they're all scared about the elections coming up. They know they're going to get wiped out because they've seen what the mood of the people is. They still do not learn that you cannot go against the mood of the nation and win an election. You cannot win an election calling people stupid. You cannot win an election calling people frauds. These people actually think they can do that. Congratulations to them. They are their own worst enemies. And, I really support Rahul Gandhi. I have always said this, that the true reason I know that Narendra Modi is personally blessed by Ram Lalla Virajman is the fact that he has been blessed with an opposition leader like Rahul Gandhi who can never mount a defense. So please go ahead. See, even Lokesh is smiling. Even he knows I'm speaking the truth. And see, now he's smiling even more. Thank you, Bhai.
I'll tell you why I'm smiling, because you are sounding more funnier than Kapil Sharma. Okay. That is the way you are rattled by Rahul Gandhi explains why Hemanta Biswa Sarma is denying him all permissions, why the Congress cadre is being attacked, why the provincial Congress committee chief was physically assaulted by the goons. That all explained. That is what is fear.
That's a separate debate. Even on that, you will have trouble explaining a lot of things, because Rahul Gandhi is on record. He said, "Look, we broke the barricades." ये न्याय यात्रा है क्या ब्रोक द बैरिकेड्स मतलब क्या होता है?
No. Well,
the Prime Minister was breaking his fast. There you are breaking barricades.
Pranesh, the goons who broke the nose of Provincial Congress Committee President, that is not being discussed in the media. For media, that is absolutely a norm. People indulging in physical violence.
Let's have that debate. Let's have that debate. What happened?
So why not?
What happened to workers in Bengal during polls? What happened to the ED officials who had gone to raid in West Bengal? Let's have that debate. We've had that debate in the past. Look, Lokesh Jindal. I know where you want to take this debate to. I am ready for that debate.
Why won't you ask this question
Mr. Jindal, listen, you've been on many panels. Mr. Jindal, now come on, Lokesh. We've discussed political violence in the past. Rahul Gandhi says there is no Ram Leher. Mr. Boyle is doubting PM's fast. That is our topic. Now, 1 minute. Issue. So on that, let me then ask you, if there is no Ram ki Leher, then why were pujas being organized by the Congress leaders? Why did the UP Congress delegation go to Ayodhya? Yeah. Why did they go? Are all of them are all of them sold out? Sanghi hai wo? Are they from the BJP? Co-opted? What are they?
Let me answer. भगवान राम की लहर बहुत पहले से थी, भारत के बनने से पहले से थी और हमेशा रहेगी.
So if you can answer this, does it take rocket science to understand? For Rahul Gandhi,
don't say that it is only BJP that has brought this layer. The layer was very much there. Listen, the layer
I don't think you heard what Rahul Gandhi has said. Lokesh Jindal, can I play it out? Can I play it out for you? I think you missed it in the beginning.
Listen, no.
Listen to Rahul Gandhi and Veerappa Moily once again. It'll refresh your memory.
Get the gist of it. The idea is that the manner in which politicization is taking place and politicization of Lord Ram. Now, Lord Ram himself is Maryada Purushottam. He talks about how power is to be restrained from overshooting its limits.
Congress leader Vikramaditya Singh was also there.
Resorting to
Mr.
all
Jindal,
forms of flouting of Maryada.
Mr. Jindal,
it is very much against the very essence of Lord Ram.
Should I tell you, sir, who were the Yajmans at the Pran Pratishtha? People of all communities. Scheduled caste, Dom Samaj, Ravidasi Samaj, Valmiki Samaj, Naga, Ghumantu, Yadav, Kharadi, OBC, sab the
values of Lord Ram in your minds and thoughts.
Which is why the Prime Minister said he's Sabke Ram.
Simply resorting to rituals.
Now you have a problem with the
It's more
ritual.
important to
There you go.
understand
Simply
the
rituals.
Lord Ram.
क्या बोल रहे हैं लोकेश जी?
Ram Bhajan
लोकेश जी,
See,
No,
Pradesh,
listen.
I don't need
I don't know what to say after
Allow me
this.
to complete. Allow me to
No,
complete.
1 minute. Now you have a problem with the ritual.
No. The ritual component without
Ritual component क्या होता
concept of
है?
Lord
Ritual
Ram
component
is empty.
पूजा में what is the other component in puja?
The other component in puja is
Yeah.
understanding the values and the message that Lord Ram gave throughout the length and breadth of the country.
नहीं,
He
you
is
know,
श्री
ये
रामचंद्र
इसमें
कृपाल भजमन
conviction
हरण भव भय
component की
दारुणम.
कमी है, understanding
He is
component की कमी
the
है.
only saint.
Lokesh, you know,
He
Lokesh.
is the merciful. He
Of course,
takes away
what did
fear
the Prime
from the
Minister say?
masses.
Did you
He
listen
is
to
Maryada Purushottam.
Did you listen to what the Prime
He
Minister
does
said?
not
Lokesh, let me ask you.
resort
Did you
to-
listen to what the Prime Minister said?
Yes.
क्या
I
बोला
have
उन्होंने?
heard his speech.
Was he saying anything different than what you are saying now?
No, there was a difference. There
अच्छा.
was a difference.
क्या था?
When the Prime Minister
अच्छा,
says
इससे दो
कि
लाइनें
ये
बता
एक
दो।
नई शुरुआत है, नया civilizational, the Ram and Rashtra were being compared. I really wanted to understand how is this Ram Rashtra analogy that he is projecting? What do we mean by this? Does
Ratan
he claim
Sharda
that the
put this in
Constitution-
context. He was talking about our civilizational cultural ethos. Ratan Sharda quickly say 30
Yes.
seconds, then we'll play out what Rahul Gandhi
What is
said.
he doesn't know what is civilization ethos is Bharat. So you go out and make all time nonsense. He talks of democracy. He talks of Rama's Maryada. Who brought in emergency? My dear friend. Did they ever apologize for emergency? Did they apologize for imprisoning 130,000 people in the jails for 1.5 years? Did they apologize for tortures done on people? Did they apologize for all this? No. You brought in law with on the gunpoint when people in the jail. Your person says स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट लीडरशिप. नया वर्ड मैंने सुना आज. लीडर भी स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट होते हैं क्योंकि मैकेनिकल है. कैसे मैकेनिकल है?
ये
जो
escape
बोलते हैं
velocity-
मिनिस्ट्री का आसाम की बताते हैं. जो कहते हैं कि मंदिर
Sir,
4 किलोमीटर दूर है
sir,
ओरिजिनल जगह से. ऐसे लोग स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट. स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट कैसे? मनमोहन सिंह एनलाइटेड लीडर है. आप बहुत बोलिए यार. बोलने दो किसी और को.
लोकेश,
बोलने दो
पहले
किसी-
आपने सवाल पूछा, अब आपको जब जवाब दिया जा रहा है तो फिर आप साथ में बोलते हैं. Can't happen.
आप कितना बोलेंगे? आज
State
ही
of
debate आप
ये this
दिखाएंगे?
is the state of farce.
आज ही debate आप
Okay.
दिखाएंगे?
Now 1 minute. Now let's play out what the Prime Minister said.
राम मंदिर बनता है. आप बोलते हो गलत बनता है. आप
अच्छा,
कौन सी आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे हैं?
लोकेश 1
आपके
मिनट.
मनमोहन
प्रधानमंत्री
सिंह
के स्पीच के बारे में आप बोल रहे थे, वो भी सुनाएंगे आपको. पहले राहुल गांधी को सुनिए, वो कह रहे हैं राम लहर नहीं है.
मुस्लिम का लोकेश जिंदल
लिसन टू दिस. रतन शारदा जी, जस्ट होल्ड योर थॉट्स.
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है कि लहर है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मैंने आपको उस दिन भी बताया, ये बीजेपी का एक पॉलिटिकल प्रोग्राम है. इसमें उन्होंने नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने वहां पे मतलब पूरा फंक्शन किया, शो किया, वो सब ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. मगर हमारी क्लैरिटी है, हमारा क्या प्रोग्राम है. हमने आपसे बोला पांच न्याय देश को मजबूत बनाने के लिए, ये हमारा प्लान है और ये हम आपके सामने रखेंगे.
लोकेश जिंदल, अब प्रधानमंत्री ने जो क्या कहा वो भी चलाएंगे, लेकिन आप ये बताइए कि राम की लहर नहीं है. अब्दुल बासित साहब भी बोल रहे हैं कोई लहर नहीं है. किशोर तिवारी जी ने भी बोला कि देखिए लहर तो नहीं है. आम आदमी पार्टी टीम इंडिया के है ना?
हाँ जी है.
जी है.
आप अपनी बात पूरी कीजिए. हाँ जी.
ठीक. वो सुंदरकांड का पाठ करवा रहे हैं. किसकी लहर है? वोट की लहर.
देखिए, सुंदरकांड तो का पाठ तो हनुमान जी के संदर्भ में होता है, भगवान राम के संदर्भ में तो दूसरे
तो
कांड
अच्छा,
है.
तो हनुमान की लहर है, राम की लहर नहीं है. अब क्या लोकेश, आई
देखिए,
मीन
बजरंग बली
what are
तो
you saying?
सुनिए. आप मुझे बोलने देंगे तभी तो आप सुन पाएंगे मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूं. प्रणेश, भगवान राम की लहर सदा थी और सदा रहेगी, लेकिन जिस तरह से भगवान राम की लहर को भाजपा अपना ट्रेडमार्क बनाना चाहती है, भाजपा बताना चाहती है कि भाई ये उनका कॉपीराइट है, या फिर एक तरह से ये इस मुद्दे के ऊपर जो है अगला चुनाव होने वाला है और इस मुद्दे पर जनता उनके साथ खड़ी हो जाएगी, ये गलत है. इस बात का विरोध राहुल गांधी जी ने किया है कि ये जो भाजपा का कहना कि भाई भगवान राम हमारे साथ है, ये गलत है. प्रधानमंत्री ने तो खुद कबूला है कि ऐसा नहीं है, भगवान राम सिर्फ हमारे, भगवान राम सबके हैं.
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? अगर
आपका
प्रधानमंत्री
कहना-
बोल रहे हैं सबके राम है, तो फिर If you are agreeing to what the Prime Minister is saying, then what is the problem?
कहना है ना, नहीं, आप रतन शारदा जी, चारू प्रज्ञा जी, ये जो कहती रहती हैं, हमेशा जताती रहती हैं कि जैसे भगवान राम का जो लहर है ये भाजपा लेकर आई है, ये सरासर मिथ्या है। भगवान राम की लहर सदैव थी, सदैव रहेगी। जब भाजपा का निर्माण भी नहीं हुआ था, उससे पहले से भाजपा की, उससे पहले
लोकेश,
भगवान राम की लहर थी।
आपको किसने रोका?